Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious custard recipe, and I'm going to make a custard with dry fruit. I'm going to use this custard powder. It's a vanilla flavor. So we're going to use 3 tablespoons. 2 and 3. We're going to add some cold milk and we're going to mix it well, and then we're going to set it aside. I'm going to use 4 cup milk, which is vitamin D milk. These are the dry fruits I'm going to use. This is the mugs, raisins, pistachios, cashews, almonds. Sugar is to taste. I'm using 3 tablespoons. Green cardamom 4. I took the seeds out. I make it nice smooth powder. This is almost half teaspoon. I'm going to use quarter teaspoon. We're going to add cold milk. The milk, we took it out of fridge, and this is good enough. And now with the help of whisk, we're going to mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, there is no lump, set it aside. And now we're going to dry roast the nuts. Get a fry pan and we're going to start gas, and we're going to keep gas on medium. And we're going to bring all the dry nuts. Almonds, cashews, mugs, pistachios. Raisins we're going to keep as is. On medium gas, keep it moving. We don't want to burn them. Also, when you're adding dry nuts, it's very important that you roast them. The reason being, when you put it in custard, they taste better. The crispiness is there. So please try it this way. So the pan is still hot, so I'm going to take this, we're going to put it on side, and we're going to bring another pot. Bring the gas to high. I'll add milk. We're going to cover with the lid and we're going to let it boil. The milk is about to boil, so I'm going to open the lid. Keep stirring so it won't get burned at the bottom. So keep it moving. As you see, the milk is very much boiling, and I'm going to bring the gas to medium. Mix it again one more time. Now I will add custard, and prior to adding it, we're going to make sure that we mix it one more time. So we're going to pour it slowly like this, and we're going to keep mixing. Add, then keep mixing just like this. Perfect. After adding the custard, we cook for 5 minutes. This is how it looks now. I will bring all the dry nuts and raisins and mix it well. We're going to cook 2 more minutes, then I'll add sugar. Another 2 minutes of cooking after adding the dry nuts, and I'm continuously moving because it's really important that as the milk thickens, the custard thickens, and it can get burned at the bottom really easy. It's getting thickened, so I'll add sugar. And once we added the sugar, as the sugar going to get dissolved, it's going to get thinner again. We're going to cook more until it thickens again. Our custard is all ready. As you can see, it's nicely thickened. Now the last important ingredient, elaichi powder, which is cardamom powder. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, our custard is all ready, and we're going to turn off the gas. Even the gas is turned off. Keep stirring so it won't get burned. So I'm going to move for 1 more minute. And I'll bring the custard right into. Look at how delicious, how tasty, and look at this, how creamy, thick custard. And let me share with you. The custard is all ready, and we're going to garnish with some more pistachios on top and almonds, and it's very tasty and very delicious. Please try it and you're going to like it. And best of all, you put it in the fridge, let it cool down a little bit, then you serve it as a chill. It's a perfect dessert recipe. Personally, I like it nice and warm. Please try it both ways and let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. And like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.